Hello everybody, my name is Atik. I would like to talk about e-cigarettes, especially that's targeting the youth generation. From a young age, parents and society has enforced this rule that smoking at this young age is going to be bad for you. This is where the idea of e-cigarette comes into play. People have invented e-cigarettes just to target the non-smoking youth generation. Companies say that these e-cigarettes are less harmful to your health than a cigarette, so why not give it a try? And the effects are really minute. This is what they say. Do you guys know at the year of 2017 about 16.2 million e-cigarette devices has been sold? That's not even including the e-juice or the refill that comes beside it. Companies have showcased these exciting new flavors like banana nut bread, peach green tea, etc., just to attract the youth customers. I would like to share with you guys three main points that I think is very interesting. E-cigarettes contains harmful and toxic chemicals that when inhaled through the lungs damages it. These harmful chemicals when you disperse through your mouth, it causes bad breath, it causes blackening of lips, gums, and inner mouth. It causes the damage of the teeth enamel. A research conducted in Oxford Academy states that e-cig usage causes bad breath, coughing due to the hot vapor, headaches, nausea, jittering, and even the burning of lips when they use the device. This becomes a habit. This habit for this teenager starts growing into something called as addiction, and because of this addiction, they start craving for something more stronger these as this does not satisfy them anymore. So they start going for weed, tobacco, cigarettes, and even something more dangerous. A research was conducted, an experiment was conducted in Dominican University of California, where one of the participants mentioned that when 2-3 hours passed by, he started craving for e-cigarette. He started becoming intolerable. So he left everything behind just to go outside and grab a pack of e-cigarettes or the e-juice to refill it. People these days start smoking due to anxiety, depression, stress, and this starts becoming a regular habit, which is really bad. So I would like to advise the parents to sit with their sons, daughters, and have a discussion of this bad habit, diseases that's caused due to smoking. Parents should not only say that you know what, smoking is bad for you. I don't want you to smoke, but in return they have to listen to their children's point of view and understand why they think that it's really bad. So when they come to a mutual understanding, the children will come to an understanding that yes, smoking is bad for them. The parents should let them know that if you do not smoke, they're going to have a happier, positive, and healthier lifestyle. I would like to end this by saying that e-cigarettes should not be conveyed as something really cool, and this idea of less harm than cigarette, this is completely wrong. Anything that is even less harmful is going to affect your body in one way or the other. This should not be a leading factor that it is something very cool. As long as the parents don't talk to them about the bad habits and the diseases caused, these is going to be a leading factor in the future. Thank you.